Good morning, sir. Alright, got the pool all to myself. Nice in here. How the gym looks. With the pool view. This will do. Pretty decent. They got the 50, that's the highest it goes. 50 pounds. It's kind of lightweight for most of you guys, huh? Alright, let me get to work. Okay, so this is when you first come in. My boy Iggy right there. We're about to do a house tour. Alright, let's get ready. So this is where we get the key. It's the lockbox. This is put the shoes, shoe rack, and then let's do the NTV cribs. NTV cribs. So, got my luggage here, getting ready to head out. So I said, just let me do a house tour for you guys right quick. I know everybody's asking me, hey, how much you pay and all that stuff. So this is like a desk with a chair, you know, to work and stuff like that. Do your work. Got a lamp here. You know, you can work on the computer. This is the dining room set table for you to eat your food. You know, this right here is the kitchen with the, what is this, granite countertop. They got the water kettle there. They got all the plates, teacups and all that up here. A lot of counter space. Down here you got the rice cooker, the blender, you got the air fryer. I'm gonna have to do this quick because I gotta catch a flight, guys. Over here you got the cleaning stuff. This right here is to put the dishes. That's for, you know, to dry your dishes and stuff. This is the water filter, E-spring. So you get clean water, drinking water. This is all the cleaning supplies here. Alright, we got the refrigerator, big freezer, very cold. Refrigerator, nice size, you know. Okay, then we got up here, we got more storage space to put your pantry. So that's the kitchen right there. Now we're gonna go in here. This room right here is the laundry room. You can see laundry. Right here is the grill, wooden grill. That's where I do all my grilling here. They have like the pots and pans down here, all the essentials, the oil and all that. So there's like a little vent, a window right here, and this is the window also. Alright, so all the smoke will go out. Okay. Now we enter the living room. This is the shelf right here. This is seating area. My boy Icky on the couch chilling. Yo yo. So this is the TV. I haven't even watched it. I watched it one time when Icky and his wife came over. Vacuum. This is like an extra bed. You know, if you have a lot of people sleeping over. That's the air con. And then right here is the balcony. Decent sized balcony. That's the two air con systems. It's a decent sized balcony. I usually have a chair out here when I drink my coffee. That's the view right there. That's another building from the same complex. That's the parking garage. This is the 2 swimming pools right here. And the kids playground over there. That's where the gym is at, right there. The gym is right here. And bathroom sink right here. The guest bathroom right here. This is another room with a fan. Light. This is another room right here. Ceiling fan, mirror, shelf, clothing rack. This is the master bedroom right here. Wow, this space right here. Here. Pillows, another pillow. And here. Master bathroom right here. Another sink right here. Here's how everything looks. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this condo tour. Stay tuned for more stuff. And we'll see you guys next time.
Let's go.
Let's go. Couch. They got a nice balcony. That's how it looks at night. Okay, at the moment I am in Chiang Mai, Thailand as I'm editing this video. The moment that everybody's been waiting for is how much. Normally, if you book daily rate is $26.22. I stayed for 29 nights, approximately 1 month. There was a super discount, 79% monthly discount. I'm not sure if that exists at the moment because I literally got a steal on this. $268.15. And that's including the travel insurance premium, which is $25. You don't have to add that, it's just optional in case of emergency or you need to cancel for that reason. The taxes were $62.85. Service fee is $17.32. It's supposed to be $760 and they took off about $600. The total came out to $268. So when I seen this, I snatched it up right away. The pros and cons: quiet neighborhood, it's not in the city, it's a new developing community. It's about 15 minutes walking distance to the Setia Eco Hill Mall, and there's a supermarket in there where I went to purchase the groceries at Lulu's. And then you're looking at maybe 20-minute walk to Lotus Supermarket. It's about 40 minutes away from KLCC. This is like the southern part of Malaysia. It's called Semani. Brand new developing community. If you look on Google Maps, this thing was like nothing but grass 5 years ago. I'm glad to see new complexes coming out. So the next 5-10 years, it's gonna be booming. Just like any other city or country that's developing. If you want to stay in KLCC, the city center, Kuala Lumpur. It's gonna be a little bit more pricey over there. You might get a deal if you stay for the month, but you're gonna get a smaller space and you're gonna be paying more. So with me, since I'm staying long term for 1 month, that's what I did. I decided to just pay for the 1 month, and it came out cheaper versus going with the daily rate. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, gave you some type of value. Stay tuned for more. See ya.